Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the enchanting world of the Enchanted Willow Vine Light, a stunning piece of home decor that brings the beauty of nature right into your living space. This gorgeous vine light features 144 soft LED lights intricately woven into lifelike branches with a rustic brown bark texture, perfect for adding a touch of magic to any room. The soft and cozy glow from these lights creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, making it an ideal addition to your bedroom, living room, or any corner that needs a little extra charm. With its flexible design, you can easily shape the branches to fit your unique decorating style, even adding fake flowers or ornaments for a personalized touch. Measuring 7.5 feet long, this vine light comes with a 6.5-foot transparent cord and a low-voltage transformer for safe and easy installation. Packaged in an exquisite gift box, it's not only a delightful decor piece but also a perfect gift for friends and family. Although it doesn't come with mounting hardware, you can effortlessly hang it using rope hooks, suction cups, or wire holders to transform your wall into a captivating display. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.